Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to quickly demonstrate use of the trim function in Excel. So if you were to acquire some data from another company, let's say it's some mailing data on potential customers, there is a chance that your original data could have some extraneous spaces in it. And you can't tell by looking at these customer names, but there are miscellaneous spaces here at the end. And this could cause you some potential problems, especially if it's at the end of just a last name and you need to start joining together and things like that. So wherever there are extraneous spaces, you can use the trim function to get rid of it. And just to really demonstrate this, I'm going to use a quick length function here. So I'm going to do equals len for length, and I'll click on the cell that contains the original, and I'll do a closing parentheses and enter, so that I can see the number of characters in these names. I've got 20, 17, and 19. Then I'm just going to use the trim function here for a moment. Equals trim, click on the appropriate cell, trim it out. Looks pretty much the same, but now I'm going to do an equals length for the new trimmed version, and we see we've got 15, 10, and 12. Okay, so I've used the trim function in order to get rid of the extraneous or extra spaces at the end of a text string. And this will make your life a little bit easier when you are using some text functions. So now we can properly determine the length, so we can properly display a certain number of characters where the length function is critical.